Hello everyone. Today we are going to start Chapter 2, Addition and Subtraction. In this video, we are going to learn how to do addition of 4-digit and 5-digit numbers. So, let's get started. First, we will learn how to do addition of 4-digit numbers by using an abacus. Let's take one example. Add 3124 and 2143. In Abacus, we have spikes and these spikes are showing different values. Here, first we arrange the numbers according to the place values of the digits. Now, put the beads as per the digits, which is shown at the place. Here 4 is at the ones place. So we have to put or draw 4 beads on the one spike. Then 2 at the tens place. So put 2 beads on the tens spike. Then 1 at the hundreds place. So put 1 bead on the hundred spike. And finally 3 at the thousands place. So put 3 beads on the thousands spike. Now take one more abacus to represent the second number of addition, and that is 2143. Same as previously, put the beads as per the place value digit on the spikes. Here put 3 beads on the one spike, 4 beads on the 10 spike, 1 bead on the 100 spike, and 2 beads on the 1000 spike. Now we have to do addition of that beads. Take the ones beads together. 4 and 3 is equal to 7. So put 7 beads on the one spike and write 7 at the ones place. Then take the tens beads together, 2 and 4, which is equal to 6. So put 6 beads on the tens spike and write 6 at the tens place. Then take the hundreds beads together. 1 and 1 is equal to 2. Means put 2 beads on the hundred spike and write 2 at the hundreds place. And finally take the thousands bead together. 3 and 2, which is equal to 5. So put 5 beads on the thousands spike and write 5 at the thousands place. Thus 3124 plus 2143 is equal to 5267. Means 5267 is the sum of the both number. Now let's learn how to add the numbers without carrying. But before that, we will learn the meaning of addition. Actually, addition means putting the things together. It means that put 2 or more things together. This is called as addition. Or we can say that addition means process of calculating the total of 2 or more numbers. Now we will learn some terms related to addition. The first number of addition is known as oggend. The other numbers of addition being added is known as addends, and the result obtained after the addition is known as sum. Now let's start addition without carrying. To understand this, let's take one example. Add 2463 and 1526. First, arrange the two numbers in columns according to the place values of the digits. First number 2463 is known as oggend and the second number is known as addend. Now we know that addition always begins at the ones place. So first add the ones digits 3 and 6, which is equal to 9. Now add the tens 6 and 2, which is equal to 8. Then add the hundreds 4 and 5, which is equal to 9. And finally add the thousands, which is equal to 3. Thus the answer is 3989, which is known as sum. Thus 2463 plus 1526 is equal to 3989. Now we will take one more example. Add 21,042 and 15,734. Both the numbers are 5-digit numbers. So arrange the two numbers in columns according to the place values of the digits. Now start addition at the ones place. So add the ones 2 and 4 is equal to 6. Then add the tens 4 and 3, which is equal to 7. On adding the hundreds 0 and 7, we will get 7. On adding the thousands 1 and 5 together, we will get 6. And finally add the 10,000s 2 and 1, which is equal to 3. So the sum of the numbers is 36776. It means 21,042 plus 15,734 is equal to 36,776. So students, this is how we can add the 4 and 5-digit numbers without carrying and with the help of an abacus. I hope you all understood it very well. If you have any doubt, then write in the comment section. Thank you.